Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about table of 12. Table of 12. Let's start. Repeat after me children. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. 24. 12 twos are 24. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. 12 threes are 36. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. 12 fours are 48. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. 12 fives are 60. 12 into 6 is equal to 72. 12 sixes are 72. 12 into 7 is equal to 84. 12 sevens are 84. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. 12 eights are 96. 12 into 9 is equal to 108. 12 nines are 108. 12 into 10 is equal to 120. 12 tens are 120. Okay. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. Okay, like this we have to practice table of 12. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.